This is wild lettuce or prickly lettuce, and we're going to make some wild lettuce powder, I guess. So skip some. And one way to know that it's wild lettuce is that you'll have the milky latex coming out. If you snip it here, you can see that white stuff, and that's what's the pain relief medicine. Today is July 13th. So I think these, well, this one, yeah, is still, I think needs to flower. That one's already flowered. It might have flower. It's getting late in the season, I guess. Okay, so this will be a good batch, and then I'll get some more later, I guess. All right, so we're back in the kitchen with the wild lettuce cleaned, and I put half of it in the blender. I put I don't know what it is, half a cup of water. For this, it's enough water to blend it, and you need sort of a powerful blender, like 1200 watts or more. Puree. Just a little more water. But the more water you add, it means you have to evaporate that water out. So now we have it in the slow cooker, about 2 blenders full of wild lettuce ground up with a little water, and I put it on low, the low setting so it doesn't boil, and we'll have it on for about 6 hours, and keep stirring occasionally, and add more liquid sometimes, and then might have to boil it again. I mean, not boil it, but slow cook it for another 6 hours, depending on the amount of liquid. So this is the wild lettuce after, this is the second slow cooking. And this is straining first cooking. So you just drain this fibrous matter, and then you get the liquid, and then put the liquid back in here. So you could use cheesecloth also. And I squeeze as much of this as possible this way. So this is the wild lettuce tar after the second slow cooking. So you squeeze out the juice from the brew and take out the vegetable matter. through a cheesecloth or a strainer. I use the strainer. And you reduce it until it gets to a tar-like consistency like this. So here's the tar. But I have to dehydrate the rest of the liquid. And I guess I'm going to dehydrate this in the oven. I'm going to do this in the dehydrator. No, I can't get this with the camera, but I'll put it in for at 120 degrees for a few hours. I'll check back to see how dry it is, and then once it's completely dry, I'll powderize it with the blender or grinder. So this is the wild lettuce extract after hours of dehydrating. I did it at different temperatures because it wouldn't dehydrate all the way, so it's still kind of gooey. It's a tar. So not sure if it can be powderized. So I just stopped. But it was like 10 hours at 140, sometimes 120.